Do you still like the tech sector, though, going forward? Because the world is going to be changed once we, of course, emerge from this coronavirus.
Oh yes, absolutely. I mean, I think it's clear that there was a lot of structural change in the so-called fourth industrial revolution taking place. That's been accelerated and deepened and sort of spread across more sectors of the economy during the pandemic and the lockdowns. But of course, that had pushed the valuations of tech and growth to very high levels compared to other sectors, and so normalization should see a kind of reversal of that relative value differential. The market as a whole, overall, though, supported by the recovery, by the reopening, and by the fiscal and monetary support.
Where do you like when it comes to the tech sector? Are you sticking with the big names in the US, or we have seen a rebound today when it comes to China tech companies sold down yesterday on fears about some more regulation coming out of China?
Yeah, well, I think there will be some more regulation, coming down the pipe, not just in China, but in the U.S. and Western Europe as well. But I think that's been well understood. The ant IPO, perhaps that was a bit of a surprise, but I think the bigger picture of more sort of oversight and regulation of parts of the tech sector that's already, been launched some time ago by the EU. It's been taken up in different ways by both sides of the aisle in the U.S. There's probably going to be more of that. And of course, there are international barriers here and there in technology that are likely to continue to grow, right? So now those barriers, to me, they speak to differential performance and the need for selectivity and diversification in different regions, as well as different parts of the tech sector. So I think that's the kind of, as the markets normalize, as the economy normalize, it's going to be much more about picking and choosing your spots geographically and sector-wise after we get through these rotations.